Howdy, hope you're having a great day today. Today's video review is going to be from a company from Sunsbury, Ohio. Today we're talking about Artiest Man. Be your own is their slogan, as you can see on the sticker. Artiestman.com is where you can find the products we're going to be talking about today. This is like my 5th, 6th review of Artiest Man, something like that. I'm not 100% sure. This is my good buddy Scuba's. Probably his favorite company that he's worked with and uses on a daily basis. If you're into very thick beard oils, this is the company for you. Hands down. Today I'm going to be talking about a beard oil, a beard wash, and something different for you guys. A hair shampoo. I've been reviewing shampoos here lately. I've been reviewing beard soaps, body soaps, and all kinds of... I'm trying to get out of just using beard products only. I'd like to start reviewing men's grooming 100% all the way around. And I wanted to start reviewing some shampoos. As you guys know, last year I was shaving my head only because I was a little conscious and worried about myself because I found a bald spot, got a little lazy, grew my hair out, and Mandy says you need to keep your hair, and it's here to stay. So I found Artiest Man's shampoo. Before I go into the review at all, please disregard the, this word I'm looking for, the tacked look of the labeling. As you can see, it's pretty much not legible at all. This has been in my shower, obviously, for a few months now. This is how the labeling will look. Really crisp and clean, looks really nice. And it comes in a white plastic bottle. This is a 4-ounce bottle. It is $10 for this bottle of shampoo. For an 8-ounce bottle, it's $15. And one thing that I really like that they offer on their website, they let you choose for no extra price, either the snap-up shampoo topper or the pump top. And I think they're both, very convenient. I really enjoy that. I think that's a really nice touch. When I could read this, there was nothing that was harsh to your hair of any kind, of any chemicals or like that. It was nothing out of the ordinary that I had found from any other shampoo I would buy in a store or in a salon. So I don't want anyone to be discouraged of anything like that. The one thing that's going to scare people away of this is the actual scent profile that's in here. And there's one of them. I'm sure you already know what it is. When you hear it, most people are like, no thank you. It's cedarwood, grapefruit, mandarin, and the kicker, patchouli. You guys know that I'm a nice big fan of patchouli. I really enjoy the scent, period. It's not really bad in here. It kind of gives it like a nice little balance, almost like a cologne-esque scent to it. The cedarwood is definitely in there. You get that mixed with that mandarin, gives you like a citrusy orange. The grapefruit is like a sweet tart taste or scent to it, mixed with that long-lasting patchouli. I think it's a really, really good scent. I like it. It's actually the scent profile in their E4 beard products that they recently released. But about the shampoo, it's a fairly thick shampoo, which is good. When I put it in my hair, it makes my hair feel very, very clean. And there's a lot of shampoos out there, they'll put like a layer over top of your hair, and it just looks like it is. Almost like a conditioner does as well, gives it a little bit of a shine. That's not the case with this, because I have fairly oily hair on my head, and I get that from my mother's side of my family, and it passed down to me, unfortunately. And there's been shampoos in the past where I could wash my hair, not even an hour later, it feels like it's completely oily again. I don't have that effect with this. This actually makes my hair feel clean. It hydrates my my hair, and I really, really like this. I'm giving this a shampoo a 2 thumbs up. This is one I really enjoy. Next, we're going to talk about one of their recent scent profiles in the beard oil that they sent out to me. This is only a sample, and I really would like to get more of my hands on this whole entire line. I'm very, very, very much enjoying this. This is their sample size beard oil that they offer. You can get 2 of these sent to you for free as long as you pay like $3 in shipping, which is a great deal. Not a lot of companies do that. Artiest Man, I think, was one of the first, and they still do it to this day. You can buy sample packs, and they're $20. I'm not exactly sure how much the prices are. They're all on their website, which I have linked down below for you guys, with a discount code. I'm gonna give you the discount code from Scuba, from BeardTube. Just type in his name, Scuba. It will get you 20% off of your very first purchase. Thank you, Scuba. Thank you, Artiest Man. But back to the oil here. Restoration. This is an oud scented beard product. You guys know that I'm probably one of the top 2 or 3 biggest oud fans in the bearding community, in the bearding reviewing community. I absolutely love oud scents, and I'm going to have my favorite oud scents video here in the near future. Is this in it? You're going to have to wait and see. No spoilers. This is an oud, sandalwood, lavender, and tonka bean scent profile. Now, they do not give you the ingredients on the sample. Obviously, it is fairly small, so they kind of can't. I have them here for you. Castor, sunflower, jojoba, shea seed, argan, marula, baobab, and vitamin E. That is the carrier oils for this oil here. And as I said before, this is a very thick beard oil. This is almost like a gel to me. It is a very long-lasting beard oil for the usage, not the scent. The usage part of this, it will last you for the entire day. In my career of using Artiest Man, I have never had to apply their beard oil twice. That should tell you something. And I've been using their products for almost 2 years now. This scent profile is amazing. Hands down. You smell the oud. You smell all these. And when you mix tonka bean in with beard oil products, you do get like a cologne-esque, but also you throw oud in there. And as I said in my videos of reviewing oud products, oud itself is almost like an undertone of cologne. So this is almost like a cologne scent to it for me. Definitely an 8 to 10 hour long lasting beard scent. This is one of the most unique beard oils with oud in it that I have found. I absolutely enjoy this. This beard sample, I think they're like $4 or $5 if you just buy one by themselves. But the beard oil, this beard oil in this line is $5 more than every other Artiest Man. And you got to understand that oud is a very expensive essential oil, and a lot of companies, they do make them a little bit more expensive. So a beard oil of this in 1 ounce is going to cost you $20. The beard wash is going to cost you $20. The beard balm will cost you $24, and the conditioner will cost you $20. They're all $5 more than their regular prices. But I do absolutely love this scent, and I would really love to get my hands on the entire Restoration line. I enjoy that. Very solid 2 thumbs up for this beard oil. One I really enjoy the scent of. He was nice enough to send me the matching beard wash in the Restoration when he sent me the shampoo, which I was very surprised to get, actually. And again, this one is $20 for this size 4 ounce bottle, and the regular ones are $15. And the ingredients: coconut oil, potassium hydroxide, olive oil, glycerin, sunflower oil, guar gum, aloe vera juice extract, rosemary extract, shea butter, citric acid, 100% pure essential oils, and everything. All the oils I listed are all organic. So there you go. Artiest Man's Restoration Beard Wash. If you don't know about the beard washes that Artiest Man makes, as Scuba has talked about before, they are really good. They make your beard feel clean. They don't necessarily strip you out, and they don't take all the natural oils out of your beard, but when you use them, they make you feel clean. They always have. I'm a fan of using unscented shower products myself. However, when it comes to using the oud scents, I'm not going to lie, I absolutely love using oud in the shower as well. In my past, let me double check this before I say it. Yeah, I wanted to make sure before I said it. I have only had one other company that has offered oud in the shower products. This is now the second, and it's just as equal in the shower as that one. I absolutely love this. And I will tell you this, if you do use this in the shower, you will have to use an oud scented product or the matching restoration beard oil scent in your beard, because it is a very long lasting after out of the shower experience. But it lathers up instantly. I absolutely love using the restoration and the Artiest Man beard wash itself. I've always liked using the Artiest Man beard wash. This is actually the last one I have. I need to get some more of the Artiest Man beard wash and conditioner. And yes, I will say it again, Artiest Man's conditioner is in my top 5 for 2019 as well. So packaging across the board, it's a very nice classy look for packaging and very, very well presented to the consumer. Package or the pricing, you're going to get what you pay for. Like I said, the oud scent, it is more expensive than anything else. And the pricing of the shampoos, I'm not the biggest fan of using shampoos in department stores, you know, like what you go to Walmart or Target and buy. I really do not like buying those if I can avoid it, and I've been avoiding it for almost a year now, so that should tell you something. Would I buy these again? Absolutely. The performance of these, Artiest Man has never let me down, not one time. There is not one scent that I have used of theirs that I really didn't enjoy. The ingredients, never had a problem with them, and they're pretty much all organic, as I've said earlier. Feel in the beard oil is super duper thick, if not the thickest, one of the thickest. But feel in hair, great. Makes my hair feel clean, as well as the beard wash. And yes, I do absolutely recommend this company and these products to any of you guys. Artiest Man, 2 thumbs up. Very solid 5-star Beard Times with Scott rating for the Artiest Man shampoo, the restoration wash, and oil today. And I would really like to get my hands on the beard balm and the conditioner, and a bigger size of the oil, the restoration. I'd like to do another full review of the restoration line for Artiest Man and for you guys, because I absolutely love using oud. You guys already know that. So be on the lookout for my favorite oud scented products. Is Artiest Man in here? You're just gonna have to wait. So once again, I give you guys the discount code SCUBA with 20% off your first purchase at artiestman.com. Use it and take advantage of these products and everything else that they offer. And I want to thank Mike from Artiest Man for giving me the opportunity once again. It's great to work with you, and I hope to continue working with you in the future. Thank you all very much again for watching. Keep on bearding, and I'll see you in the next video.